Hi, today I'm going to assemble a John Lewis 2-tier extendable shoe rack. We have before us eight large poles and 8 small ones. We also have a little bag of screws, which I'm going to put into a bowl. First things first, get these little chaps and put one on each end of the larger pole. Next, these guys have screws at one end and are open at the other. That has to be the left-hand side. This has a screw in it. That has to be the right-hand side. So, this little chap has a little fluted end. Put him in here. Slide one of these guys on and make sure it's good. Do that 8 times. Okay, so that's my 8 poles. Now I'm going to take out the legs. 1, 2. Note, they're slightly different. Yeah? Doesn't matter which way up you do it, but do them the same each end. Right. 1 pole. Screw. Put the screw in. Other end. 1 screw. Put the screw in. Okay, do that 8 times. Tighten them all up with the Allen key. 1, 2. Eight. And then finally, put your feet on. 1, 7, and 8. Et voila! 1 extendable shoe rack. Pretty solid too.